Leslie, a determined young woman, marches through the chaos with a shopping list clenched tightly in her hand. She scans the aisles with a hawk-like focus, a fire burning in her eyes.
Okay, let's see. I need cereal, but there are so many brands and flavors. Which one should I choose? Crunchy Flakes or Fruity Loops? Whole grain or gluten-free? Oh, I just can't decide. I'm just trying to pick a cereal, but there are so many options.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Dial Virtual Services channel. I'm Kaylee, your host, and you are here at the premiere of our first official YouTube video. Yay! Today, we're going to be covering social media content scheduling, and I want to reference the clip that we just watched. So you could kind of tell that the woman in the store seemed a little bit overwhelmed and confused, which honestly, who hasn't been lost and confused in the grocery store, to be honest with you? When I have so many choices in front of me, it's really hard to narrow down which is the best tool for me. It may work for you, and everyone out there, you may have a preference over one of the tools that we're about to cover, and that's great. And I encourage you to share your knowledge and what you found helpful with the tools that we discussed down below in the comments. But I just want to get it out there just for visibility, get some feedback, and also go through my experience with all of these free social media content schedulers. This will be part one in a mini series about social media content scheduling so that we can deep dive into these tools and see which tool works the best for you. It's nice to know about these products, but if you don't know how to work them and if you're not really that familiar with them, then it may be hard to implement them, and that's not really helpful for anybody.
The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the Tailwind website, and you can just pick whichever one suits you best. For this, I'm going to choose Influencer and then click Create Account. Okay, and here it's just going to pull up a simple rundown of what you can expect to get from the Tailwind app. So let's just click ahead. And here you kind of get a glance of the scheduling feature, which is really cool. But for now, we're just going to click or go explore Tailwind dashboard. So here we can see the Tailwind dashboard, and it will bring up these little windows. You can just click next or skip if you'd like to, but it does have some helpful tips about what you can expect to get out of it and some detailed features that you may not know about. Let's go ahead and click Explore Your Dashboard. We'll come back to the suggested content calendar later. Okay, and as we can see here, you'll want to confirm your account and your confirmation link that it's been sent to. Now, for this, I have created a fake email address, so to speak, for the purposes of demonstration. So this is not an actual company that I'm running, but you would want to confirm that before moving on. One thing that I do want to point out is this area over here on the right under suggested content ideas to post this week. And this is something that makes Tailwind and even Tailwind Pro special, is that it gives you different content based on your intention. So you can create content based on awareness, consideration, conversion, and you can even filter by campaign over here. So let's say we want to educate your followers. So mine was a pet company. So for example, shed light on your niche or niche, depending on how you want to pronounce that. You can even skip ahead a day if you want to see what's coming up. So it's really super helpful on generating ideas and getting a feel for the week. Now for this, you would want to connect your account so that you can go ahead and post to your account. But for now, we're just going to click on go back. I just want to show you these options over here on the left so that you become a little bit more familiar with the layout. To do email marketing, here again, you would want to start by importing your contacts, create a subscription form, send your first email, or you can choose to add your brand settings. Again, if you do click this option, you're going to want to have this information laid out ahead of time. It's always great to have a brand already built before you start an email campaign. So for this, I highly suggest subscribing to Canva Pro. There's going to be a link down in the description for a free trial. However, if you do go into Canva and you generate your brand details, you can actually transcribe over your color codes so that you don't have to try to guess which shade of green or which shade of red is closest to your brand. And on the flip side, if you haven't really given a lot of thought to your brand, there are pre-set colors and themes that you can pick from. Now, this is one of my favorite tools that Tailwind has, and this is the personalized content creator schedule. So you can actually personalize your plan and use this really awesome feature. It's Tailwind Ghostwriter, and it uses AI technology to give a natural feel to a lot of popular items that you're going to need to create in order to have a successful, well-known business. So for example, let's say we want to do a YouTube video script online. So let's come up with a title. Let's say dog toys for large dogs. Okay, I'm just thinking off the top of my head. So then we're going to click add keywords, and these are keywords that we would want to include, and this is going to go a long way in SEO searches. And I will again create more information for you guys so that you can follow along. But for now, click generate online and let's see what it says. Okay, perfect. Here is our script for dog toys for large dogs. And you can kind of imagine speaking, in a YouTube video, are you a proud dog parent looking for a toy? And it's really great because it gives you subheadings that you can use as an outline then to create a YouTube script. And it even has a call to action feature down at the bottom, which is perfect. So let's go ahead and try a different feature. Let's go over here for an AI generated image. Let's try to come up with something that maybe we could use for a logo, or maybe it's even something that we want to stick on our website. So for this example, let's say dog wearing a bandana. Dogs are adorable. So let's see what it pulls up here. Oh my goodness. It's like half dog, half bear. So cute, but I think we might be able to do better. So let's go ahead. I just want to show you that you can download this here, but since it is kind of looking more like a bear, let's go ahead and generate another image. So I'm actually going to save this for you guys. So if you do end up wanting to see the final result of what it created for our little pet shop, then you can go to our Instagram and I will post a copy of the picture there. So meet me over on Instagram, guys.
Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I highly encourage you, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and like this video and hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest technology tools, trends, and marketing tips.